Bench testing a 1963 Cadillac non-fog light option headlight switch, serial number HSSC092425, offered by TT Parts Rebuilding. Run-up test. Test number 1, tail and parking light operation. Test number 2, tail and headlight operation. Test number 3, dome courtesy light operation. Test number 4, dash lights set low to high. Test number 5, circuit breaker test. Test number 6, switch terminals insulated from ground. During the run-up test, we're going to be using a fully charged battery. We're going to boost the battery during the run-up test. Right now we're around 12.98 volts. And under boost we're at 14.16 volts. Also during the run-up test, we're going to monitor the temperature of the rheostat. Right now we're at ambient, 87 degrees Fahrenheit. Test number 1, tail and parking light operation. First position, have our tail and parking lights. And we're going to set the rheostat to mid-range. And off. Again, first position, have our tail and parking lights. Dash lights set to mid-range. And off. Test number 2, tail and headlight operation. First position, our tail and parking. Second position, front parking lights come off, headlights are on. Back to first position, and off. Test number 3, dome courtesy light operation. I'm going to rotate the pull rod stem, and I'm going to ground the tab of the switch body. We have indication of dome lights, courtesy light. That feature is available in the off position, first position, dome courtesy, and second position, dome courtesy lights, and off. Back to first position, off. Test number 4, dash lights set low to high. First position, we have our dash lights on in mid-range, and rotate the rheostat to the dim position. We see we have a little increase in temperature at the rheostat, around 94 degrees Fahrenheit. Let's go to mid-range. Bright. Full bright. Back to mid-range. Dim. And off. Second position, headlight position. Bring the dash lights up from off to dim. Mid-range. Bright. Back to first position, and off. Test number 5, circuit breaker test. Delco Remedy headlight switches had a built-in circuit breaker, this bimetallic contact arm that connected the battery to the switch body. I'm going to demonstrate what would happen in the event of an overheating of the headlight circuit. Expansion of the bimetallic arm, breaking the circuit between the battery and the switch, protecting the vehicle wiring. We'll put this in first position, simulate expansion of the contact arm. We see we have a disconnect between the battery and the switch, protecting the vehicle wiring. Features also available in second position, headlight position, simulate expansion of the arm. So you have a disconnect between the battery and the switch, protecting the switch and the vehicle wiring. Back to first position, and off. Test number 6, switch terminals insulated from ground. We're using a standard 12-volt test light. During this test, we see we have continuity back to the battery at the switch chassis. We can demonstrate that the switch terminal is insulated from ground. We're going to probe each terminal. We'll start here with the rheostat ground tab for the dash light, for the dome light. We have no continuity back to the battery. Here's our dash light feed. We have no continuity back to the battery. Here's our battery terminal. We have no continuity back to the battery. Headlight, no continuity back to the battery. Tail light, no continuity back to the battery. And parking lights, no continuity back to the battery. Circuit breaker contact arm, no continuity back to the battery. The only continuity we have back to the battery is at the switch chassis. This demonstrates that the switch terminals are insulated from ground.